Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a gateway to creativity and entrepreneurship. Those who dive into the world of woodworking often find that their passion can transform into a lucrative business. The charm of crafting unique wooden projects lies not only in the beauty of the finished product, but also in the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. As you embark on this journey, you'll develop skills that allow you to design and craft items that resonate with customers seeking quality and individuality. The initial step in woodworking is understanding the materials. Wood is a versatile medium that comes in many types, each with its unique characteristics. Familiarizing yourself with different woods can enhance your projects and help you cater to diverse tastes. Whether you prefer the rich tones of mahogany or the light grains of pine, knowing your materials is essential for creating pieces that stand out in a crowded market. This knowledge also informs your pricing strategy, as premium woods can command higher prices. This interaction can guide your design choices, ensuring that your creations resonate with a wider audience. Remember, a unique idea can set you apart from competitors and make your products more appealing. Creating a workspace is another vital aspect of woodworking. A well-organized and efficient workspace can significantly enhance your productivity. Consider setting up a dedicated area with all the necessary tools and safety equipment. Proper lighting and ventilation are also crucial to maintain a pleasant working environment. As you develop your business, investing in quality tools will pay off, as they can improve the quality of your work and increase efficiency. Marketing your wooden projects is where creativity meets business acumen. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase your work can attract a broad audience. High-quality images and engaging content about your crafting process can draw in potential customers. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or markets can offer direct exposure and allow you to connect with your community. Building a brand that reflects your values and craftsmanship can create a loyal customer base over time. Pricing your handmade wooden items is a balancing act. You want to ensure your prices reflect the time, effort, and materials involved while remaining competitive. It's beneficial to research similar products in the market to gauge acceptable price ranges. Transparency about your pricing can also build trust with customers, especially if you explain the craftsmanship and quality that goes into each piece. As you grow your woodworking business, consider expanding your product line. Offering a variety of items can appeal to different customer segments. Seasonal items or limited edition projects can create urgency and excitement among buyers. Diversifying your offerings not only increases potential sales, but also allows you to experiment with new designs and techniques, keeping your creative juices flowing. Customer feedback is invaluable in the woodworking business. Engaging with customers after a sale can provide insights into their experiences and preferences. Positive reviews can enhance your brand's reputation, while constructive criticism can guide your future projects. Building relationships with customers fosters loyalty, as people appreciate knowing the artisan behind the products they purchase. Sustainability is an increasingly important factor in consumer purchasing decisions. By sourcing wood responsibly and promoting eco-friendly practices, you can attract environmentally conscious customers. This commitment can also set your brand apart and resonate with a growing market segment that values sustainability. Highlighting your efforts in this area can enhance your appeal and contribute to a positive brand image. Networking with other artisans and business owners can provide support and inspiration. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums allows you to share experiences, challenges, and successes. Collaborations can also open new avenues for creativity and expand your audience. Building relationships within the woodworking community can lead to valuable partnerships and opportunities for growth. As you embark on your woodworking journey, patience and perseverance are essential. Building a successful business takes time, and there will be challenges along the way. Embrace the learning curve and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Each project is an opportunity to refine your skills and grow as a craftsman. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as they contribute to your overall journey. Incorporating storytelling into your marketing can create a deeper connection with your audience. Sharing the inspiration behind your projects or the techniques you use can engage potential customers on a personal level. People love to know the story behind the products they buy, and this connection can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Investing in your skills through workshops or online courses can also enhance your woodworking business. Learning new techniques or styles can keep your work fresh and innovative. As you expand your skill set, you can explore new markets and attract a broader customer base. Continuous learning is a hallmark of successful entrepreneurs and can significantly impact your business growth. Creating a strong online presence is crucial in today's digital age. A professional website showcasing your portfolio, pricing, and contact information can serve as a valuable tool for attracting customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, strategies can also help increase your visibility online, making it easier for potential buyers to discover your work. As you navigate the business side of woodworking, remember to maintain your passion for the craft. Balancing creativity with entrepreneurship can be challenging, but staying true to your artistic vision is essential. Your genuine love for woodworking will reflect in your creations, drawing customers who appreciate authenticity and craftsmanship. Ultimately, the journey of crafting unique wooden projects for home decor and sale is both rewarding and fulfilling. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful pieces that others cherish can be immensely gratifying. By combining creativity with sound business practices, you can create a successful woodworking venture that not only brings joy to you, but also to your customers. Woodworking is more than just a trade. It's an art form that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurial spirit. The allure of transforming raw wood into stunning pieces for home decor is captivating. For many artisans, this passion for woodworking evolves into a small business, allowing them to share their creations with a broader audience. Understanding how to harness this passion into a viable business model is crucial for success. At the heart of woodworking lies the selection of materials. The choice of wood can significantly impact the aesthetics and durability of your projects. From hardwoods like oak and walnut to softwoods like pine and cedar, each type of wood offers distinct characteristics and beauty. Familiarity with these materials not only enhances your craft, but also informs your marketing strategy. Customers often appreciate knowing the type of wood used in their purchases, especially if it's sustainably sourced. Once you have a grasp of your materials, brainstorming project ideas becomes the next step. Consider what types of decor items resonate with you and your potential customers. Engaging in market research can help identify trends and gaps in the market. This research will guide your design process, ensuring that your creations are both unique and desirable. The goal is to craft items that evoke emotion, whether it's nostalgia, warmth, or a sense of style. Creating a dedicated workspace is essential for any woodworking endeavor. A well-organized area equipped with the right tools allows for greater efficiency and creativity. Consider factors such as lighting, ventilation, and safety equipment to ensure a productive environment. An inviting workspace can also inspire creativity, making it easier to bring your ideas to life and produce high-quality items that customers will love.